crazy world. Today we'll be in our crazy crafting area making some tissue paper cone vase flowers. I'm so excited to do this today, and one of the reasons that we are doing this today is because of lockdown. You might not be able to get hold of any flowers for your family and friends, which you might want to get them as a little present because you can't see them or anything. And also, if you do get hold of flowers, it might be hard to send them if it's a far journey. They might die or something might happen to them, as these can last for your entire life, and I think they are a very cute idea. So let's get started. So for this craft you need all these different things. So you'll need some scissors, some squares of tissue paper, some sellotape, a coat, some wrapping paper, and then at the end you can put it in a vase or something if you would like. So let's do this. So for the first bit you will need to get your square piece of tissue paper, and you're just going to grab the corner. You're just going to grab it and fold it over to the other side. Nearly symmetrical. Doesn't have to be too exact. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab the top and fold it down to the bottom, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you see this open bit here, that's going to be at the top, and then you're going to get this side and just fold it over to the other. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this and hold the end, and then you're going to fold this bit down, and you're going to grab this bit and just push it down there, and then just grab that, and then that's your rose. And then you've got to do this. Then you've got to stick some tape on it. Just like so, and then you've got your lovely little rose. So you're going to get your wrapping paper and you're just going to roll it into a cone. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of sellotape and just stick it down like so, and that's your little cone. Now you got to do is you got to stick your flowers inside of it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get your flowers and your cone, and you're going to just get your flowers and stick them inside of your cone like that. So you want to stick them lower down so then the stem bit isn't showing so much. And then you're going to do exactly the same thing with your other flower. It may be a bit difficult, but just keep trying, and once you get it, that's good. So this is your tissue paper flower bouquet, and now what you're going to do is you're going to plop it in a vase with some others. I hope you all enjoyed this video, everyone. I hope you have a good time. Bye!